And there we go, absolutely fabulous taco seasoning. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, taco seasoning, a very quick. We're going to take all those spices, chuck it in a bowl, stir it all up and put it in an airtight container. As simple as that. I'm not going to fool you. Video, probably 1 minute. Here you go. Chili powder in there. Cumin. Now I'm using smoked paprika. You can use normal sweet paprika, that's up to you. That's garlic powder. That's not coming out of there because of the moisture in the air. It is now. That's onion powder, that's going to do the same. Cayenne. Now cayenne is entirely up to you. You know, if you don't like it spicy, don't put it in. There's enough in there with the chili powder. Dried oregano. Got a little bit of pepper, black pepper. We got salt. And an optional extra is cornstarch or corn flour. And you could also do another optional and add a little bit of sugar. You know, because sometimes when you mix up a taco or whatever, you know, it can be a little bit spicy, bitterish, if you like. And you guessed it, it's just a case of give that a mix. So we're going to mix it all in. We're going to break up that onion and garlic powder that's absorbing the moisture in the air here. Smells absolutely wonderful. No word of a lie, smells just like or better than taco seasoning that you can buy. And this makes 100 grams. There you go, that'll do. We're not going to mess about. Grab yourself a little airtight container. Grab yourself a little bag. Stuff that in there a little bit. And we want that in there. Of course we do. Come on. In it goes. So there you go, we got that in there. Get a couple of these silica gel things, stick that in there. 100% fantastic taco seasoning. Now we are going to use it a little bit later in a different recipe, but how you use it. 2 tablespoons with 500 grams of meat, whether it be beef, chicken, pork, anything. And if you want to make a bit of a fluid type thing to cook your meat in, if you want like a taco gravy to make it wet, 150 mils of water, 2 tablespoons of this. There you go. How long does it keep? Weeks. Weeks if you don't use it. Okay, those silica gel stops it from clumping up. There you go. Nice and easy taco seasoning. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video. And there we go. Absolutely fabulous taco seasoning.